Hey. Hi, Snowflake. Hi. Hello, how are you? Hi. Are you coming to enjoy the moon? Hello. Hi. How are you? Hi. Snowflake, snowflake, snowflake. Hey, you're so sweet. You are. Look at that face. Oh my gosh. You're just jumping up in my lap. You're so cute. Hey! Snowflake is a beloved cat of the neighborhood. She's a stray, and she's started coming over to our house, and for the past maybe month or two, and she's so sweet. Oh! She waits on the back porch and on the front porch for people to come out so she can jump up in their lap and say hi. Hi. You're such a good cat spirit. Snowflake. Hey. I'm just sitting here enjoying the moon tonight. I'm sitting out in the garden under the tree where I was first visually visited by my deity. And it was really, truly lovely. I was meditating under this tree. It's an apple tree. Hi. And my deity, my goddess, is Brigid. And she is commonly represented by animals such as swans, a lot of white animals, white cows, but with dark ears. And here's Snowflake, and she's all white except for right around her ears here. Hi. So tonight I am actually flame tending, which is a practice. It's part of my spiritual practice, and it's ongoing. You know, it's a spiritual commitment and a time of honoring Brigid and reflection. And tonight, like it is sometimes, it'll include divination as well, because she is associated with divination. And this isn't something that a lot of people know about Brigid. I think she is kind of like a lot of deities, like a great number of them, watered down over time and reduced in some ways. And her association with Imbolc, of course, and springtime, or midwinter actually as well, that is a time that she is very strong in, and her presence can be seen and felt. You know, the feeling is quite enhanced for a lot of people during that time. But she is also much more in addition to that and beyond that. She has many, many, many qualities and faces, all diverse faces of the same oneness that she is. And I'm reading a book called Brigid by Their last name is Weber. I think Courtney Weber is the author, and I'm really enjoying that one. It's pretty good. So I wanted to share a little update tonight, share that I will be flame tending, and that I just wanted to share my genuine gratitude on such a beautiful night like tonight, where I can sit outside, and it was a sunny day. I got to take a beautiful walk in the park, and the sun was out, and my cat Frida was also basking in the sun in the window today. And I spent the afternoon chatting with my housemates in the living room, making decoctions for one woman who I really love, who has fibromyalgia and pain issues and joint problems. So I made an herbal decoction for her with burdock root, valerian root, kava, skullcap, all kinds of things, marshmallow root, and oh my gosh, we drank some of that, and it was delicious. I'm just kidding. It was actually really horrible because of the valerian root and kava as well. They're really good for you, but they're an acquired taste for sure. And I really enjoyed getting to put together some tea blends today. I had gone to the food co-op, gotten some herbs, and yeah, I spent the afternoon crafting up some herbal tea blends and really enjoying that flow of creativity in the moment, the spontaneous blending of my energy and the energy of herbs, as well as crystals lately. So I'm sharing that gratitude with you. Thank you for watching, and me and Snowflake are sending you the blessings of the radiance of this beautiful moon tonight and this beautiful apple tree. And may Bridget bless.